Are you looking to buy a car? Today we're looking at a classic car buying question: cash or finance? Cars are a big purchase, often a need or an aspiration. While saving cash can be hard, financing is common. Let's break it down based on the sources. First, the cash down option. It's simple. Find the car, pay the full price to the seller, and you own it. You might trade in your old car to reduce costs. The upsides? Simple process. Pick a car, pay the dealer. It's yours. No credit checks or loan paperwork needed beyond registration or insurance. Greater flexibility. Easier to trade or sell the car since you own it outright. No loan worries. Cheaper overall. No interest charges or extra fees. Avoids higher prices, sometimes tied to company finance offers. Downsides to cash? Limits choice. Your budget is limited by your cash, potentially meaning cheaper cars that might not suit your needs or last long. No credit building. Paying cash means missing the chance to build credit history through loan payments, which could affect future borrowing. Financial impact. A large upfront payment can drain savings or investments, leaving less for emergencies or other goals. Opportunity cost. That cash isn't earning money elsewhere. Cars degrade as you drive them. Consider if investing the money would yield higher returns than loan costs. Now, the finance option. You take a loan to cover the car's cost, paying it back over time, plus interest. You only fully own the car once the loan is paid off. Advantages of financing? Expands choices, increases your budget, letting you consider more expensive cars that fit your needs, provided you can manage payments. Builds credit history, successfully repaying the loan builds and improves your credit score. Manages cash flow, spreads the cost over years via monthly payments, preventing savings depletion and keeping funds for emergencies or other goals. Disadvantages of financing? More expensive. You pay interest and potentially other fees, making the overall cost higher. A car is a depreciable asset, losing value quickly. You might owe more than the car's worth. Calculate total repayment cost, including interest. Higher risk. The car is security for the loan. Defaulting means the lender can repossess and sell your car. Delayed ownership. You don't fully own the car until the loan is cleared. So, cash or loan? Here's a quick comparison from the sources. Financial impact. Cash means immediate large expense. Loan has monthly payments. Cost. Cash has no interest. Loan has interest charged. Ownership. Cash gives immediate full ownership. In loan, ownership is with the bank until paid off. Credit. Cash has no credit impact. Loan gives opportunity to build credit. Risk. Cash has a risk of cash loss. Loan has a risk of repossession. Savings. Cash can deplete savings. Loan can preserve cash for other goals. Debt. Cash has no debt. Loan has debt until paid off. Ultimately, it depends on your situation. Cash is cheaper overall, but might not be feasible and impacts savings or investments. Financing allows for a better car now and saves cash, plus builds credit. But it costs more due to interest. The sources even suggest that if you can get a feasible loan rate and invest the money you would have used for cash in something like a mutual fund with higher returns than the loan cost, financing might be more advantageous. Consider the car, your cash, investment returns versus loan interest, and your need to build credit. Do the math. Choose what fits your financial picture best. If this helped, hit like and subscribe to the channel.